Hey guys, it's Gretchen and welcome back to my channel. So, we are back in the kitchen, something I haven't done, I think since like last summer. But, we are coming up on an important milestone for me. And that is, we're coming up on my 1 year surgeversary for my vertical sleeve gastrectomy. And so I do have a few videos coming up, actually just two, really, now that I think about it, talking about my weight loss surgery journey thus far, and I will have a video of like a 1 year update. But for today's video, I thought I would do kind of a recipe that became kind of like a lifesaver for me in the weeks following my surgery. Okay, Fuzz. If you don't know anything about weight loss surgery, there are certain time frames after you've had this surgery where you can only eat certain kinds of foods. So like for the first 24 hours after a surgery, at least, and it varies by surgeon, but for me, I can only do clear liquids. Then 48 hours to 2 weeks, I can only do liquids. After 2 weeks, I could incorporate soft foods. So I am gonna do a recipe for you guys for one of the soft foods that I ended up making that really became a lifesaver for me because it was so high in protein that it really got me through the days that I felt like complete shit. Also, if I sound like complete shit, it's because I'm sick again. I got better briefly and got sick again, so yay. But anyway, if you have never heard of this recipe before, it is called a ricotta bake. And basically it's a shit ton of cheese and an egg baked, and it tastes like Italian goodness. I am gonna show you the ingredients necessary for this thing, and then I'm gonna make it and show you what it's like. It's very easy to make. If I can make it, pretty much anyone can make it, so yeah, there's that. So to make a ricotta bake, the ingredients are very simple. You need 1 egg, you need half a cup of grated Parmesan. I have shredded, but whatever, same damn thing. You need half a cup of marinara. You need half a cup of shredded mozzarella, which I managed to get that one right. You need 8 ounces of ricotta cheese, or a cup if you're like me and can't quite do ounces. And then you need some salt and pepper and Italian seasoning to taste. And then I put it in a dish like this. It's not very thick, but that's what I end up baking it in. So the first thing that you do when making your ricotta bake is you're mixing the ricotta cheese, the Parmesan, the beaten egg, and the seasonings together. So we're gonna go ahead and do that. For the purpose of mixing things together, I'm not gonna mix things together in the dish until I've got everything done. So to mix things together, I'm gonna put it in this tiny bowl, mix them together, and then transfer them over. Actually, while I'm in the process of doing this, I should probably cut the oven on so that it's ready to go. You will set the oven for 450. Once you have mixed everything together, you're gonna put it into your microwave safe bowl. Once you've put everything mixed together in the bowl, you're then gonna take your marinara sauce and put it on top. The last thing that you'll do is top with some mozzarella cheese. The recipe calls for half a cup. I say put however much you want on there. Now that you've got everything together, it's time to put it in the oven. Roughly 20 to 25 minutes, and again at 450, and I will see you all in just a second. All right, so the timer just went off, so I'm gonna check it real fast to see if it is ready to go. Why does my hair look weird? Okay, yeah, let's see. And this is what it looks like fresh out the oven, as you can tell by the bubble happening. Some cheesy goodness right there. Definitely let it cool after you pull it out of the oven. There it is over there. It's still bubbling. It'll probably bubble for quite some time. It is just a really good soft food dish. I mean, it's a lot of cheese, so you won't shit for like a week. A lot of protein, very soft, very easy on the stomach, especially if you've just had weight loss surgery. I know my sassy stomach. I think I've mentioned a few times I named her Serena because she's sassy like Serena van der Woodsen from Gossip Girl. Okay. But yeah, I lived on this stuff for roughly a a month after I was able to start eating soft foods. But I just thought I would do a kind of a recipe video to commemorate the fact that my 1-year surgeversary is coming up. I will leave the actual recipe in the description below in case you want to possibly make it for yourself, whether you're a weight loss surgery patient or if you just think it sounds good. But that is it for this video. If you enjoyed it, please give it a big old thumbs up and go on down there, hit that subscribe button wherever it may be, because I would really, really appreciate it. And until next time, bye guys.